Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices so face recognition will sync correctly. Make sure your iPhone has Face ID enabled and the Apple Watch is paired and updated. On the iPhone, open the Watch app and navigate to the passcode and security area. Start the face recognition setup there. Once started, follow prompts to capture facial angles. This trains the system. Do this in even indoor lighting and remove sunglasses so the sensors read clear reference data for accurate matching. Now you capture detailed angles and tweak the recognition behavior. You'll rotate slowly as the app prompts to record side and three-quarter views. This builds a robust model. Once done, configure attention-aware features and choose whether the watch unlocks only when the paired iPhone is nearby. Make sure to enable relevant complications and app permissions so the watch can use recognition for secure tasks. These settings balance convenience and security, letting the watch act confidently while protecting your data. Finish by testing real-world use. Lock the watch, try unlocking, and open apps that require authentication. If recognition fails, retake the scans under different lighting because the model improves with varied samples. Once you're satisfied, let the system adapt over days. It refines itself with normal use. If problems persist, reset face recognition and resync the watch through the Watch app so the devices rebuild their secure link. This one tip usually resolves stubborn mismatches or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.